Dr. Chris Arnold here from Devote Chiropractic, and I want to share with you a quick little tip or trick that can make a huge difference if you're suffering from a lot of neck issues, shoulder issues, or actually even headaches. It's very simple. All you're going to need to do is actually take a towel, just like this, and I want you to take and make a roll of it. All right? You're going to roll it up about this amount, and you're going to place it on your bed, and I want you to lay down on it. But let me describe to you what it actually is doing. Do you see, most people don't understand is your neck is actually supposed to have a curve in it that actually starts from your ears, curves forward back to your shoulders. When that neck gets too straight, or actually the head gets too far forward, it puts a lot of stress and strain on this area of your neck. So the curve is supposed to be restored when you actually lay down and put that neck roll underneath it. And you want to roll it enough where actually your head doesn't quite touch the surface, and then you're just going to sit there and relax. You're going to feel that roll go further into the neck, and the neck's going to relax even more, and then eventually your head is going to touch the back of the bed, and you're going to feel so nice and so relaxed because those muscles now are actually able to release the tension they've been holding all day from all the stress and strain and deadlines and everything that's been going on in your life, and you can actually just sit here and just slowly relax and allow that tension to go. So, quick little easy thing to do, just take a quick towel, just roll it, and just allow your head to really relax, put that curve in there. If you do this actually on a daily basis, it'll actually slowly put that curve back in your neck and retrain those neck muscles. But even if you're in a pinch and you have a severe headache going on or neck issues, just do this little roll thing. Usually laying there 5-10 minutes at the most. You're going to just start to feel all that tension melt away. So hopefully that's helpful to get you through the day and those severe issues. But if you really want to find some true underlying causes and actually get this problem solved long term, we'd love to help you here in our office. So take care, and hopefully that was a help for you.